evening to all. Can you hear me? Sir, is it audible? Sir?
Yes, it's audible, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to one and all gathered here. It is a wonderful session. I welcome you all for this session. Uh, AI tools for mastering in modern techniques. It will enhance all your AI skills definitely, and it is organized by Indian Mathematical Association professors and Infinity Research and Development Institute jointly organized. This is a 2 days workshop, online workshop on AI tools for mastering in modern technologies. I welcome you all, and I welcome Mr. Gnanashekhar, this resource person of this today's session. I welcome you, sir, and I hand over this session to the resource person. Sir, please start your session.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Is this audible?
Yes, yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, audible, sir.
Just right. I will share my slides. I hope is this slide is visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This slide. Yeah, yes, I hope this slide is visible. So,
Yes,
first of
sir.
all, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
So, first of all, I thank Infinity Research and Development Institute and as well as Indian Mathematics Professors Association for giving me this great opportunity to present this AI tools for mastery in modern teaching workshop. So I thank once again for this esteemed institutions, and I also thank our participants. So for eager waiting of this workshop. Okay, so we'll start the session. Okay, so first of all, so AI is one of the blooming. Okay, AI is one of the blooming technology in nowadays. Okay, so but we are teaching professionals. We should aware about this AI tools. Okay, so this AI tools make very clear cut work for us. Okay, so this is very useful for our regular work process. So like we are all in the teaching field. So we are daily basis we are doing lectures, and we are preparing the study materials. We are preparing the lesson plans. We are preparing the question bank. We are preparing the internal assessment, external assessment, internal questions, assignment topic, seminar topic, like that. We are working under this particular area. Now, this AI tools provide opportunity to uh, create within the AI tools. Okay, so that is one of the opportunity for this is also very easy, and this will be reduce our work. Okay, so that's why we are ready to provide this particular workshop for the teaching community. So by using these tools, we are teaching effectively in this comparing to the last scenario. Okay, so that's why we are preparing this. Okay, so this is a flow of the presentation. So we need to know about our objective, then understanding of AI education, and benefits of AI in teaching, and AI tools for assessment process, and AI powered content creation, and last one is hands-on session for creating lesson plan, course description, and lecture notes, question bank. So like that, we will see in this hands-on session. Okay, so first of all, we are all aware about the AI tools. I hope all of you aware about the AI tools. So we have a several AI tools available in this forum. Okay, so like Chat GPT and uh, yeah, yes, Sachin, is there any doubts? Okay,
No, sir, by mistake, sir.
thank you. Okay, so nowadays we have a several AI tools available in the market. So that is a very easiest process, and as well as there is an open source. We can use that open source for our teaching. Okay, so that is an AI tools. So like AI tools are we are regularly using the Chat GPT, and we have already used chatbot, and we have used many other tools. Okay, so like in this session, we'll concentrate what are all the AI tools used for the teaching purpose. Okay, so first we need to understand what is an AI. So AI is nothing but the AI tools are very effective one for uh, sorry for the interruption. Okay, So first we need to know about what is an AI. Okay, so AI stands for the artificial intelligence. It's like when computers try to be a smart and do things that usually need human brains. Okay, so we are all working professional, so we are doing continuous the same work process. Okay, so if you give that process to the AI will do that process. Okay, so the we have a AI in daily life. Okay, so for example, we are using the voice assistant, and we are using the for example, if you are search anything from the Google, so the same suggestion will be available in all your social medias, like YouTube, like Facebook, like Instagram. So in that forum, so the same suggestion will be appear on that uh, in your windows. Okay, so these are all the applications of an AI tools. Okay, so the AI learning is nothing but, so AI can learn in every day. AI can learn in every day. So like a human beings, but human beings uh, the daily basis read small amount of content, but AI tools are reading the huge set of data for it, which are available in the internet. Okay, so the same process we can train the AI for our work process. Okay, so these are all the uh, important of AI tools. We need to understand what is an AI. Okay, so that's why we are proceeding this. Okay, so then we need to we will move on to the benefits of AI. So AI is a benefits for many areas. Okay, so already we are conducted one workshop. So AI tools for research. Okay, so how the AI tools for useful for research work. Already I think we are conducted in the July month. Okay, so that is very very useful for the every researchers, how to use effectively in AI tools for research. Okay, so that is our previous session. Okay, so here we can use the AI with the personalized learning. So the personalized learning is nothing but we can access the AI with our personalized manner. Okay, so then it saves our time, it saves our money, and it saves uh, our workforce. Okay, so these are all the benefits from the AI tools. And also we have keep engaged our class. Okay, so these are all the benefits. And we want to AI tools for assessment. So assessment is nothing but we are all the teaching profession. So we are assess the student, like examination, or providing a seminar, or providing a assignment. These are all the method we are assess our student. But if you introduce AI to your student, so this will assess the day by day, and as well as this will concentrate a personalized learning process. Okay, so that's why we are implement this AI tools for assessment. So if you introduce to your students, so students will enjoy to learn. Okay, so that is our motto of Indian Mathematics Professors Association. So each and every professors, we are introduce the concepts for enjoy of learning skills. Okay, so then next one, so the powered AI powered content creation. So this is our hands-on session also. So what are all the process we use to do creating a content, like um, course objective, course description, lesson plan format, lecture notes. Okay, so in the monthly basis we have faced many audits, internal audits, external audits, like that, from the IQAC team. So this AI tools help to prepare the documentation for us. Okay, so then straight away we'll move for the hands-on session. Okay, so in today's session, we will concentrate on the chat GPT. So how to use a chat GPT in this effective manner for creating the basic documents. Okay, so in tomorrow's session, we will see some other AI tools. Okay, so uh, just wait, I will share my just 2 seconds. Yeah, yes, I hope is the screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so we are explore the chat GPT for preparing our basic notes. Okay, so just I have this right. Okay, so in today's session, we will explore the how to create the uh, course content. Okay, so like that, I have one of the syllabus in the mathematics domain. So like graph theory. So graph theory. So this graph theory course. So in today's session, we will create the course content of this graph theory syllabus. Okay, so this is our syllabus. So this is a graph theory, and these are all the CO course objective, so course outcomes for this particular course, and these are all the unit content for this particular syllabus. These are all the textbook, and these are all the contents. Or we have a reference book, and we have a COPO mapping. Okay, so we will create the course content for this particular syllabus. We'll explore the hands-on session. Okay, so just I will wait. I will open that chat GPT. Yeah, yes. So this is a chat GPT. So you are using the chat GPT. I hope this chat GPT is one of the open source AI tools for all of you aware about this chat GPT. So just wait, I will open again. So this is one of the open source platform. So like you will search in the Google browser. So just chat GPT, the Google browser. So we have here we have navigate to this website. Okay, so the first link chat.openai.com. So this is a official website of the chat GPT. So just open this. Okay, so uh, already I have signed with this chat GPT. If you are open in the first time, so that chat GPT has some basic questionnaire. So like your name, your Gmail address, email address, and your phone number. So that basic concepts, uh, if you provide that basic concepts, it will navigate to this chat GPT window. Okay, so just I have create a new chat. Okay, so in this new chat, I have interact with chat GPT. Hi. So just I have put the hi. So this is a chat GPT prompt. Okay, so in this chat GPT prompt, I have provide another one prompt. Do you act as So just I have provided one of the prompt. Do you act as a mathematics professor? So ChatGPT replied for the particular prompt. I can certainly help you with the mathematics questions and explanations, just like a mathematics professors. Like that, we have a blog content is available from the ChatGPT. Okay, so instead of this, I have provided my syllabus. Okay, so this is my syllabus. So just I have copied this syllabus. I have copied the entire syllabus. I have copied this entire syllabus, and here I have input. I have provided this particular content to the chat GPT. Okay, so the subject code and all the contents are available here. So just I have entered, I have given the input for my syllabus. Okay, so this is my syllabus. Yes, I have given the input for the my syllabus. Okay, so based on this syllabus, first we will create the course objective of this particular syllabus. Okay, so if you are maintaining the course file, we are need of the course objective. Okay, so just I have asked the question, provide the course objective of the syllabus. Yeah. So I have entered this prompt. So just enter. Yeah. So these are all the course objective of this particular syllabus. The CO1 to recall the fundamental concepts of graph and their types, and the CO2 is to understand the characteristics of operations on graphs, trees, and fundamental circuits. This is in CO3 to apply the concepts of spanning trees in graphs, and we have a CO4, CO5, and CO6 like this. Okay, so next one I have creating the prerequisition of this course. Prerequisition of this course. Okay, this we need for this particular content. Just I have provide the prompt. Okay, so these are all the prerequisition for doing this particular course. Okay, so first one, the mathematics. So first requisition is the mathematics. A strong background in mathematics is essential for doing this particular course, and this includes the knowledge of algebra, calculus, and basic mathematical proof techniques. And we need discrete maths for pursuing this particular graph theory course. The many concepts in graph theory are rooted in the discrete mathematics. So prior exposure to topics like sets, logics, combinatorics can be very helpful for understand this particular course. These are all the my prerequisition for doing this particular course. Okay. So the next we will build course description. Okay. So these are all, this content also we need for this is my course description. Okay, so this is my course description for graph theory is a fundamental branch of mathematics with a wide range of applications in computer science, engineering, and various other fields. So this course introduces the students like that. Below content is available for course description, and we have a certain course objectives also. So in this unit 1, we have a certain course objective. In unit 2, we have a certain course objective, and unit 3, we have a certain course objective, and unit 4 and unit 5 as well. Okay, so these are all the course objective for this particular graph theory course. Okay, So, and also we have a textbook, a reference book. So these are all the content available for this particular course description content. Okay. So next we will create the lesson plan format. So just I have opened the lesson plan format. So we can create any type of lesson plan. So just I have opened of the format. Just write. Yeah, this is a lesson plan for lesson plan format. So this is one of the example. Okay, so in this column we have a unit number, topics, reference, and learning outcomes, Bloom's level, course outcomes, and evaluation patterns, and the proposed date and hour and prerequisition are required, and content delivery. So these are all the needed content for creating this particular lesson plan. Okay, so just in the fraction of second, we will get this particular content from this ChatGPT. So just wait. I will see how to develop or create this particular lesson plan. Yeah, there is a yeah. So I have provide this prompt, like provide the lesson plan with the table format. Okay, so I think just wait. I'll zoom this. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah. Is this font is visible?
Sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Visible,
So
sir.
this is a this is my prompt. Provide the lesson plan with this table format. So like a serial number, topic, YouTube video reference, link, and learning outcomes. So on their Bloom's level, course outcome, evaluation pattern, and required content delivery activity performed during the session, and evaluation questionnaires. Okay, so this is my prompt. Okay, so like based on this format. Okay, so this is our format. So like we have a topic, reference, learning outcomes, Bloom's level, course outcome, evaluation pattern. So based on our requisition, so I have provided this prompt here. Okay, so like this, provide the lesson plan with this table format. So like this serial number, topic, YouTube video reference, like this. So just hit an enter. So it will create the lesson plan this format. Yeah. Thank you, ChatGPT. So this is a yeah. So this is a table format of the first topic is introduction to graphs, then YouTube video reference link to YouTube video. So then the learning outcomes, define what is a graph. This is a learning outcome. So this is a Bloom's level of this particular question. So this is a Bloom's level. So this is a Bloom's level. This is a remember type, and this is mapping for course outcome. This mapping for CO1, and the evaluation pattern is the in class quiz. and we have a prerequisite required. So we need basic mathematics to understand this particular type topic. Okay, so these are all the prerequisite activity. So lecture, the discussion, and Q&A, and visual aids. These are all the content delivery method, and we have a certain. So these are all the. This is an evaluation questionnaire for this particular topic. Okay, so based on that, we will create our lesson plan. Okay, so just this way, I have copied the unit 1. Yeah, this is unit 1. So just I have copied this unit pasted over here. So this is my unit 1 syllabus. Provide same tabular format. Okay. So this is my prompt. Okay. So this is my prompt. So just enter. Yeah. So this is my topic 1. So that is available here. So first one is introduction of a graph. First concept is introduction of a graph and applications of graphs, finite and infinite graphs like incident and degree, and isolated vertex and pendant vertex. Like this, we have a syllabus. So in each and every topic, AI will create the lesson plan. Okay, so just I will see. So the first concept is introduction to graph. So here we have a link to YouTube video. If you have that particular YouTube content, just replace this content, and this is a learning outcome. The learning outcome is define what a graph is. Okay, so then this Bloom's level is remembered. So like that we have. The topic 2 is a type of graphs and incidents. Types of graphs and incidents. This is a second topic. So and also we here in this particular topic we have a finite and infinite graph and incidence and degree. Okay, here we have a same lesson plan content. So like this, the particular finite and infinite graph, the learning outcome is differentiate between finite and infinite graph. This Bloom's level is understand, and we have a certain same similar content. Okay, so based on this, we can easily we can create the lesson plan for 5 units. Okay, so like that we can create the lesson plan. Okay, is there any queries regarding this?
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, like whatever content we are creating on this chat GPT,
Yeah,
can we save it somewhere and use it later on? Can we create some files? How can we save it?
yeah, just copy this, just right.
Like sir, instead of copying it in some other folder, is there some provision in it, chat GPT itself, where we can save it in the form of some file or some folder?
No, ma'am, that option is not yet available in ChatGPT.
Okay.
So just
Okay.
copy this particular prompt and paste it to MS Word or MS Excel. So what whichever document needed, just copy and paste over that.
Okay. Sir, can we see our history, whatever we have searched, or is it not possible?
Yeah, yes. Here, the left corner, we have a certain histories. So the day by day histories. For example, and today I have used these around five histories. Okay, so then yesterday I have used like this, and previous 7 days I have used these are all the content. On previous 30 days, I have used certain prompt. Okay, so based on that, we have a certain history.
Mhm. So do we have to on it from somewhere, or is it auto on, always available?
Yeah, it is always available in your login ID.
Okay, okay, sir. Fine.
Okay,
Thank you,
okay.
sir.
Thank you. Is there any other queries?
Sir,
Yeah.
good evening, sir. YouTube link, it will give itself, or we have to, if we feed in the Excel sheet, then only it will give. Link introduction to graphs, link YouTube video, there the link,
Sir, we need to provide the self link, sir.
sir,
So we
sorry.
need to provide the self. So
Oh,
this is a template. We need
okay,
to replace the link only.
okay, okay,
We need to replace the particular link, sir,
okay, sir.
from the self
Okay,
for customized manner.
okay, thank you, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Shall we move the next session, sir? If there is a no queries, then we'll move on to the next agenda. So how to prepare the lecture notes? Okay, so just I have already have copied the unit one. So just I have copied this unit one and just paste it over here. This is my unit one content, and I have provided the prompt. So provide the lecture notes. Lecture notes. 12 hours. Okay, so just I have asked this, provide the lecture notes of 12 hours of teaching. Okay, so this is my prompt. So just enter. So this will create the lecture notes for each topic in the 12 hours. Okay, so this is my lecture one. So like introduction to graphs and their applications. So it takes 2 hours of time. So in this particular lecture, I have to teach my students what is definition of the graph and real world applications of graphs and types of graphs and finite and infinite as well. So graph notation and terminology and the basic graph elements and vertices degrees like that. So this is my lecture 1 and this is my lecture 2. So in the lecture 2, I will conduct it for 1 hour of teaching. So in this particular lecture, I have concentrated these three topics. So vertex incidence and degree, calculating the degree of vertex and hands-on examples and exercise. Okay. So in lecture 3, so we have concentrated these concepts, and in lecture 4, so like that, the lecture 4 take maximum of 2 hours timing. So we have introduced these three concepts for our students. Okay, based on that, we have create the lecture notes. Okay, so if you want to elaborate notes, just provide the prompt. So Nirmal Kumar sir, okay. So if you want to detailed lecture 1 notes. So just I have provide this prompt, provide the lecture 1 in detail. So just I have entered this. So this is an output. Just write. Just write. The case of the network issues. Yeah. Yeah, I hope is this visible? So this is our detailed lecture 1 notes. Okay. So this is an introduction to graph and their applications. I have taken the 2 hours of teaching. So this is objective of this particular lecture 1. So in this lecture, I will introduce the fundamental concepts of graph and explore their real-world applications. Students will learn about the basic terminology and types of graph. Okay, so this is our lecture 1 objective. So these are all the agenda. What is an introduction? So in introduction point of view, we will welcome our students and really introduce about what is the graph theory and what are all the significance and what are all the applications and what are all the real life situations are correlated with particular graph theory concepts. So just we have introduced and we have introduced what is a graph for 15 minutes of time, and we have teach our students the real world applications, like we have a social networks, transportation system and computer networks, recommendation system and biological networks. So these are all the real world applications and types of graphs and the graph notation and terminology. Like this we can provide the lecture 1. Okay, so if you want to this particular content in descriptive form, so just put the prompt. I need this lecture detailed explanation. Yeah, this is my prompt. Okay, so I need this lecture 1 in descriptive form with the detailed explanation. Okay, if you click enter, yeah. So these are all the detailed content of the lecture 1. Yeah. So we can compare the previous output and the this previous output, the introduction 15 minutes. There is a no brief explanation. But in this recent output, here we have a clear-cut idea. Okay, so begin by defining what graph in the context of mathematics. Explain that graph consists of 2 fundamental components, vertices and edges. Okay, so like that we will get the detailed content of the particular syllabus. Okay, so we can next we will create lecture 2. The for 2. Okay. So this is our, I have provided prompt. So this is our lecture 2 content. Okay, so this is an objective for the lecture 2, and here we have the same agenda, like introduction 5 minutes. Okay, so the particular concept, the finite and infinite graph. So this takes maximum of 1 hour timing. So based on this, the content is available here. Okay, so the what is a finite graph and infinite graph? Okay, so these are all the detailed content for finite and infinite graph, and these are all the infinite graphs and implications of graph size, and so these are all the exercise and summary and transition. Okay, so like that we'll get detailed lecture notes for this particular content. Okay, is there any queries regarding this particular lecture notes creation through PPT? So here I have provides the minimum of examples. We can try in brief manners. Is there any queries regarding this lecture notes preparation by using ChatGPT?
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yeah, yes.
I think ChatGPT is not providing us any mathematical equation, graphs in the notes or anywhere. Is it? No
No, sir.
mathematical equation anywhere.
If you provide, so this I have checked the scenario. Provide fundamental So this is one of the concepts. So this is one of the concept in graph theory, the fundamental theorem of graph theory. So just I have entered. So like that, we'll get the graph. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What about sir equations? Is it giving equations?
Just wait. Yeah. So like this, we will get an output. So this is a Green's theorem. So Green's theorem statement here. So this is an equation form of
Oh,
like this is an circle over integral pdx plus q dy is equal to double integral dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y into dA. Okay, so this is an equation we can generate through the ChatGPT.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Only last question, sir. If we have to give the
Yeah,
input
sure.
like solve double integral, and we have to give that double integral, is it possible?
Sir, your voice is not clear. Just once again.
Sir, solve double integral. If I have to give the command to the ChatGPT, is it possible? Solve the double integral
Can you
or solve the differential equation.
differential equation?
We have to, but example, I have to give some command that solve this differential equation step by step, something like that.
Sure, sure.
Okay, okay.
This solve this like I have provided x cube in differentiate. Yeah. So this is a differentiation of an x cube. So the f dash of x is 3x squared. Okay, so this is here we have a formula. F dash of x is equal to
Okay,
mx
okay. Thank you, sir.
into minus 1. So
Thank
this is a method. Okay, so based on this, you can get any output for your transaction.
So if you want to solve some equation, some differential equation or integral equation, so can we type it directly here or we'll have to copy it again from the Word?
Yeah, we need to type to this particular prompt method.
Like, is there some provision to type or insert symbols, or we'll have to first type it in the Word and then copy it?
You can copy paste over here.
Okay, you can copy.
Okay.
And sir, can it create, like, if we have to create some slides or PPT, can it create it that for us?
Yeah, sure. That is our tomorrow agenda. Tomorrow we'll use some other AI tools for preparation of lecture notes and as well as slides like that. So that is our tomorrow's agenda.
Okay, sir, thank you.
So tomorrow we will see in detailed manner how to prepare the slides by using some other AI tools. Okay. Is there any other queries?
So what time we have to attend?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Hello, sir. At what
Yeah,
time we have to
yes.
join?
Yes, sir.
At what
Is there any query?
time we have to join, sir?
Sir, the tomorrow same
Sir,
time.
timing on 6 to 8, sir. Timing.
Sir, can we
Yeah,
plot a graph with the help of this?
no, ma'am. We can generate the code here, so we can explore. We can plot the graph by using Python or some other tools. Here we can explore the. So
Okay,
the
sir.
last session we have conducted Python with graph theory. So in that particular workshop, we have seen many how to plot the graph. Here we can generate some basic codes. So by using this basic code, we can generate the graph by using Python.
So, do you have a video or anything like that, or any link of that workshop so that you can share it with us?
Yes, sir, that would be very helpful.
Previous workshop video is available in our YouTube channel. So I will provide that YouTube channel link in the chat. Just check that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So ChatGPT can read
Okay, so
image, sir. So one more question: can ChatGPT read image?
No, sir, not it. That option is available for this version. In future, they will enable the particular option. As of now, there is no option, sir.
Sir, one question. If possible, MATLAB code,
Yeah,
sir.
yes.
MATLAB code
Yeah,
output
yes, ma'am. We
value.
can generate the MATLAB codes and algorithms.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, one more question.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
So is it possible to solve algebra problems? For instance,
Yes, sir.
if I want to,
We can solve anything from this ChatGPT. So that should be a basic one.
for example, if I want to check whether the given set with the binary operation is semi-group, is it possible?
We need to provide some inputs. For example, so in the previous prompt, I have provided my full syllabus for as an input. So then only I have collected some outputs regarding that particular input. Okay, so like that, you need to provide some inputs initially, then you can get an output in advanced manner.
Okay, so will I be able to get that the workshop that you have conducted earlier?
Sir?
You said that you have already done a workshop
Yeah.
on this.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, there is no the particular topic we are not yet done. In future, we will conduct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, shall we
Hello.
move to the next agenda? Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir. Suppose I am having a code in Mathematica, and I wish to
Okay.
get an algorithm or flowchart from that code for the student. So can I copy that code in the Chat GPT or any other AI tool, and I get can I get algorithm or flowchart from that?
Okay, you can tell me any example. Just we can try, sir.
I mean, suppose, sir, there is a code for finding whether a given number is prime or not. And suppose I am
Okay,
copy pasting
right.
that code here. Yeah, I mean, we have to move from the code to logic.
Yeah, just I have entered this. Yeah. So this is a code for uh, Mathematica.
Yeah, sir. Now suppose I am having this code. I am already having the code, and from that code I wish to find the algorithm or flowchart. That how what is happening inside the code.
Oh, okay. So just provide the source code. This we can check, sir. Not yet aware about this particular topic. This we can check. Is there any other queries? Okay, so shall we move the next agenda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next agenda is question bank preparation. Okay, so we are generating the question bank like this particular prompt. Okay, so I have copied the unit 1. So just already I have selected this particular unit 1. Just copy, just provide content. Yeah. So just I have asked 25 MCQ question this unit 1. So just enter this. Yeah. So this is a 25 MC questions about the inputted content. Yeah. So this is our 25 MCQ questions in our unit 1. Okay. So first concept is a graph and applications of graph. Okay. So in graph theory, what are all the fundamental components of a graph? Okay. So if you want to answer, so just provide answer for above MCQ. Okay, so just yeah. So these are all the answer for the previous 25 questions. Okay, so the answer of the first question is nodes and edges. So this is our first question. So in this first question, in graph theory, what are the fundamental components of a graphs? Okay, so the answer is nodes and edges. Okay, so the next one, which of the following is not real world applications of graph? So the social networks is a applications of graph, and transportation system, this is also applications of graph. Algebraic equation is not a real world applications of graph. Okay, so the third question, a graph with a limited number of vertices and edges is called the finite graph. This is an answer. So like that, we will generate the any number of question. Just I have inputted just
Sir,
25.
sir,
If you want, yeah, yes.
sir, I also created a few MCQs there, but many times, 99% of the time, ChatGPT only gives us theoretical MCQs only. Never it gives us MCQs with equations or that part.
Okay, so just wait. We'll try some other subject. Yeah, just I have some other syllabus. Yeah. So this is a differential equation. So this is our syllabus. So just I have copied this and pasted over to the ChatGPT. Yeah. So this is a differential equation, ordinary differential equation. This is my differential equation syllabus. You just ask a prompt, provide 20 MCQ with mathematical okay. So just write. So just we need to create one new chat. Okay, so this new chat, do you act as mathematics professor? Is this I have initiated our question. Provide this, I have paste this unique content. Provide provide 10 MCQ with mathematical answers. Yeah, this is our
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
output, sir.
Created, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you,
here
sir.
we have a dx by dy is
So,
equal to y, and here we have a mathematical symbols also.
correct. Yes, sir. Actually, I am missing some prompts there. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so like that we can create an MCQ. So not only for 10 or 25, how much you want, just put the number. So ChatGPT will create an MCQ. So what you need. Okay, so that is one of the major advantage for the teaching community. Okay, so we are all spending the most of timing for preparation of question bank, preparation of lesson plan, preparation of lecture notes. If you use ChatGPT in the effective manner, we will we will minimize our workforce and we can dedicate our time to our research. Okay, so that's why Mathematical Professors Association intently suggests these particular AI tools. Okay, so the next one is preparation of descriptive type questions. Okay, so just I want to create provide just I have missed one of the uh, concept. So just wait. Yeah, so just I have copied this. We now we are in outcome based education system. Okay, so we need the particular MCQ which domain. So okay, for example, the cognitive or what is the Bloom's level. So we are need the particular concepts. Just I have entered with Bloom's level. Okay, Bloom's level. So the ChatGPT provide the Bloom's levels also. Okay. So first one is the knowledge level. So the knowledge level we have two question. So what is the highest derivative involved the first order differential equation? This is a knowledge level, that is an understanding. The next one is a comprehension level. So the next one is applications level and analysis level, and we have a synthesis level and evaluation level. Okay, so like that we can create OBE based question bank. Okay, so then we can get the Bloom's verb also. Okay, so Bloom's taxonomy verb. If you want to use the Bloom's taxonomy for your question bank, so just provide the prompt. You can get with the Bloom's levels. Okay, so just wait. You can explore that particular content also. 50 and now we have to see MCQ. Sure, ma'am. Finally, we will address and chat. Yes, we have we collect the Bloom's work, Bloom's taxonomy work. Okay, like we have a what like that we have Bloom's taxonomy works. So using the Bloom's taxonomy works, we get the OB based MCQ. Okay, so the next one is the descriptive world question. So provide 10 descriptive question with Bloom's level. Yeah. So these are all the 10 descriptive question. So first one is remembering. So remembering, we have described the key components of a graph in graph theory. So this is a remembering level. So next understanding level, explain the concept of degree in graph and how it is calculated for vertex. So this is an understanding level. So this is an applying level. Provide an example of null graph and describe its properties. This is an applying level and analyzing, evaluating. So like that, we will get the descriptive questions as well. Okay. So if you want to the mark biased, for example, if you want to the 6 mark question, so just provide like 6 marks. Okay, so like that we can create the question bank. Is there any queries regarding the question bank preparation by using ChatGPT?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I hope tomorrow's session we will continue the remaining agenda. So in tomorrow's session we will see about how to create an intermediate quiz and how to be an interactive session with our students, and how to create assignment and seminar questions, how to create a project idea, and we will see how to make a presentation by using an AI, and how to engage the class in effective manner. So like that we have a mini agenda for the tomorrow session. Okay, so kindly join the tomorrow session. So sharp at 6:36 p.m. Okay, so is there any queries we will address, and otherwise we can wind up in today's session. Okay, so in
Thank you.
chat,
It was really very informative session.
yeah, yes.
Sir, thank you so much. It
Yeah,
was
yes, ma'am.
quite an informative session. Sir, thank you so much. It was very informative. Sir, can we get the link for your previous workshop as well, as you were saying, the YouTube link?
Your voice is not clear, ma'am. Once again.
Sir, can you please provide the link for your previous workshop?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello.
Thank you. Yeah, yes.
Hello. Suppose
Yeah,
we are
yes.
having a question bank 10. Can we draw a question paper of different marks from it?
Yeah, yes, I have addressed already. If you want to, just we can see an example. Just provide 10 descriptive question of 6 marks with Bloom's level. So just I have introduced the 6 mark. So these are all the 6 mark questions. These are all the 10 6-mark question. If you want to change the 10 marks, is just change the 10. You'll get that particular question regarding the 10 marks. We can change the 3 marks and 2 marks also as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so we have received some queries in chat. So just will address.
Sir, LaTeX code also will provide, or only Python Mathematica only will provide, or if we
Yeah,
ask
yes,
for
sir. We can create a LaTeX code as well. So just wait. Provide the LaTeX code for plot K5. Okay, so complete graph with 5 vertices. Yeah. So this is a LaTeX code for plot the complete graph with 5 vertices. So just copy this and paste it to LaTeX. Just run this code. Just I have save this. I think there is an error. There is a cycle. I think there is some errors. So this is an output for it is. I have asked the complete graph with 5 vertices, but here we have received the cycle. So here I have missed some content. Okay, based on this, we can get an output, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Professor.
Okay. If you again have missed this concept, if you not satisfied, just regenerate this particular code. You'll get some other code. So just I have copied this. Just pasted here. I'll again run this. I think there is an error. Okay, so if it's possible in tomorrow's session, I will explain that particular concept. Okay, is there any other queries?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Dear
Thank you.
participants, the feedback link available in our chat. So kindly provide the feedback for the certification process. Sir, yes, sir. I think Uma Max do we get the same set of questions in every time? So it is not possible, ma'am. So the chat GPT is learning from our inputs. Okay, so the same question will not be repeat again. Okay, something they will be differ from so the generation of a text. It may be provide the same set of question if ChatGPT is not updated. But if ChatGPT is updated, you will get the different set of questions. They randomly choose. That's why. Is there any other queries? Okay, so thank you for yes, sir.
Sir, dear sir, sir, the query, sir, the session is nice, sir. It's very informative, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Dear participants, thank you for your personable listening. Okay, so Mathematical Professors Association, we are uh, always providing we are hope providing the good session for your teaching career. Okay, so we are all the professors. We need to concentrate on research and development. Okay, so based on the teaching, we have many notes or many content available in the forum. So just we need to use the particular forum by teach our future researchers or future India. Okay, so that's why we are providing this exclusive workshop for teaching community. By using this workshop, you can reduce our time and spend your valuable time to research and development. So thank you for everyone for patientable listening. In tomorrow's session, we will see in many concepts which are available in AI related.
करके तुसी मेरे लिए भी ले आए सी वैसे